Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Brandy. Today we are doing another unboxing. As you can see my little box down here. I placed an order for Bare Minerals. See, I love this brand. This brand is the reason why I love makeup. So I wanted to try out some of their new stuff because I haven't used a lot of their products since like the original powder foundation, like my Time Lord shirt. Quite a while ago, but I've always been a giant fan of it. So today we're opening this pretty decent sized box. Also, mad respect to this branding right here because it's cute. Be original, be natural, be good. I like it. All right, so we're gonna open this. It's got like cute little things in there. Okay. This giant box was completely unnecessary. Jeez. I actually did order like quite a bit of stuff from there because I got, I think, a 15% off coupon from just signing up for like their email notifications. And so the first product that I got is the Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. I have always like seen a lot of their tinted like hydrating anything, and I'm obsessed because I love hydrating my skin because it gets very mad at me if I don't. That's actually like why I went with this like kind of glam natural. We're gonna call it glamatural look today. I got this in shade Cashew 3.5. It might be entirely too dark for me, but summer's coming. Maybe I'll go outside and tan. I don't do that. I don't like to tan at all. I'm a vampire. My own mother calls me a vampire because I burn in the sun quite quickly. Oh, my Lanta. We're gonna fast forward through me trying to open this. Gross. Alright. Might not be too dark. Just like a little bit right there on my skin. Ooh, that's like either it's a perfect match or it just blends in that quickly. But it's definitely hydrating. So that'll be like a good, I wake up too late to put on makeup, which is all the time kind of day, and I need something to cover my red skin. And then this is the Good Hydration Silky Face Primer. Here's the box for it. And again, hydrating is life, and I love primers. It is my thing. There's like really not much product in here. That's terrifying. How much is in here? I don't know, but 1 fluid ounce for a primer. I know it's standard, but like it just seems like it's so much more in this. It does not have a scent to it, which is fantastic because I don't like scented primers. I think they are unnecessary. And here we have the Bare Minerals Endless Glow Highlighter. Here's the box in shade Joy. I can't open anything today. Like my nails aren't any longer than they normally are, so I don't know quite what's going on. But this highlighter, I think it's one of their new ones. It was really pretty online, so I was like, I need that. Here is what it looks like. Let me come on. Let me turn down my lights real quick. There. We'll film in like dark lighting. Like it's nighttime, which it is. So that is what that looks like. It is real pretty. It's really silky feeling. All right. Ooh, that's good. I like that. That's a good summer highlighter right there. All right, we have the Bare Minerals Frame and Define Brow Styler. I don't have very many brow products. Like I have a couple pomades. I have one from ColourPop. I have one from ABH. And then I have like a couple of like the Maybelline eyebrow like pencils, and I have a ColourPop brow pencil that I don't hate it. Oof. Ooh, thank the baby Jesus, it's got a spoolie. And this is in shade Universal Light. Oh duh, it's a twist up, not a pull off. Here's that. It's certainly a fine tip there. So that will be good. And then it's got a little spoolie dude at the end. So we'll definitely be trying that out soon. And oh, I bought all the brow products. I've been brow obsessed lately. It's been a problem. And this is the Brow Master Sculpting Pencil in shade Honey. I don't know how I feel about this shade, but I think it was like the lightest one that wasn't like white. Again, got another spoolie on it. This seems like a pretty good spoolie. It's like soft, but not like overly soft. Oh, so this is just kind of like the brow. I think it's the Brow Wiz from ABH, which is kind of like got that straight line drawing power. Cannot wait to try that. And then for bronzer, first of all, Faux Tan is like my favorite bronzer from them. Anything, because I have a setting powder with Faux Tan like back when I used to like tan in the tanning beds. Clearly I don't do that anymore. It was my favorite setting powder always because it looked good. It didn't actually matter like if I was tan or if I was pale. It just looked so good. Oh, my Lanta open. Come on. I don't want to cut it open. Aha. All right. And this is just their bronzer. I think it's like a shimmery formula, which is fine. But I honestly need more bronzers in life, so that's okay. Ooh. That's a pretty shade. I enjoy this. Yes. That is just like the best bronzing shade. I enjoy that a lot. Ew. That is, I'm so excited. What's this? Oh, my order. Ew. Cute. They said little thing. I mean, like, they're not handwritten or anything, but cute. And it says, the moment you've been waiting for. Thanks for giving your order a beautiful home. We know you'll be very happy and look amazing together. And the compliments from strangers, well, that's just an added bonus. Much love, Bare Minerals. That's so cute. Like, I know they send it with all the orders, but I feel special. I'm okay with that. And then my order, like, sheet thing. Again, I purchased all of this. I did have a 15% off coupon from signing up for their emails. And then I used to love this mascara, the Lash Domination. Like it was one of my favorites for a long time before I went into lash extensions. But since I don't have them anymore, I wanted to get it again because the one that I had was disgusting. But this wand is just great. So I'm real excited to use that, like now. It's my imagination, but I think it made my lashes better. See? Like, I have really straight, ugly lashes. Like, I have straight, stick. They're terrible. and they point down no matter how much I curl them. And like when you can see it, you know it works. Like you saw my lashes go from straight to knot in seconds. Favorite mascara ever. And then for the last stuff that I purchased, because I think there's a gift bag in here because I spent too much money. It happens. I have the Bare Skin Complete Coverage Serum Concealer. The fact that it said serum concealer like just tempted me more than anything, because there's nothing more than I love than an under eye serum and concealer. So you put the two together, I feel like it's just gonna be magic. I hope. So we are gonna do that right next to, that's a good shade match too. So obviously it's concealer, so I bought it, I mean I ordered it like light. There we go. I like that. Yeah, that's pretty full coverage, at least on the back of my hand. Oh my Lanta. Yeah, I like that. So we'll be using this probably in my next video. Definitely most excited for the bronzer and highlighter, as well as the Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. Because on the daily, I wake up 10 minutes before I'm supposed to go to work and don't ever put anything on my face. And I turn into a red tomato when I go outside in the sun. So yes, we don't want that. But I'm just gonna stick all this in this bag. So we're gonna put all this in there and I'm gonna play with it in my next video. Definitely this concealer too. I'm so excited for this concealer. I have a strange obsession with obsession with concealers lately, so can't wait. Thank you for watching me unbox my newest shopping spree. If you like these videos, leave a comment and a like down below. Make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell. I will be uploading at least once a week. Knowing with my shopping habits, it could be twice a week depending on what gets delivered and whatnot. If you do have any suggestions for videos, make sure to let me know. I definitely appreciate constructive criticism as well. But thank you so much for tuning in. And if you watch till the end of the video, make sure to leave a shopping bag emoji down below. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
So take me away, some other place.